We are going to make a Persian rice dessert, in Farsi Sholeh Zard. We need 120 grams risotto or jasmine rice, 1 teaspoon saffron, 100 grams sugar, 70 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon rose water, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder for finishing and decorating, some pistachio or almond flakes for decoration, and about 150 milliliters of boiled water. Start by washing and soaking the rice. Soak it about 20 minutes. I'm using risotto rice here. Place rice and water in a pot on your stove. I use my index finger to measure the water. It should be slightly over my first finger joint. Bring the rice and water to boil. As you see, I set the stove in high heat. While I'm waiting for my rice to cook, I prepare the saffron. Saffron is a beautiful and precious Persian spice from saffron flower. You need to grind it before you use it. Grind it really well. When it is fine and ready, set it aside. Stir the rice and wait. After a few minutes, add your sugar. I'm using brown sugar, but you can use any kind of sugar. Lower the heat, stir well. You stir and wait till the water is absorbed. It should be absorbed but not completely. Add saffron, stir well and wait. Then add the cardamom and stir. Try to see if the rice is really soft. At this point, it shouldn't be too soft. It's time to add some more water. Always add hot water. I boiled some water and I'm adding it. Add the butter and rose water, stir. Cover the pot with its lid and wait about 5 to 10 minutes. The rice should be really soft. At the same time, we don't want our Sholeh Zard to be so runny or to be so hard, something in between. It smells so good because of saffron. This beautiful dessert has lots of vitamin B, vitamin A and C. Decorate it with some almond and pistachio and cinnamon.